Hello everyone! I'm back with another video, and for today's video ay i-share ko yung company na pinagtatrabahuan ko. So, I've been working in this company since August 2024, so last year lang. And nakailang months na ba? August, September, October, November, December, January, February, March. So, I'm going 8 months this month, and sa 8 months na yun, okay naman siya. Well, merong mga araw or months na talagang sobrang, what you call this, wala masyadong students, or sa akin, wala masyadong nagbo-book. But eventually, bumabawi naman during next month. So, for example, December, maraming bookings. Nung January, wala masyado. February, wala masyado. But this week, last week ng February, ay medyo bumabawi naman ng konti. I hope so in the next months na paparating. So guys, we are hiring. The name of the company is Sunny English Company. I don't know if you guys heard about this because wala masyadong nagpo-post dito. Hindi siya masyadong famous or known, just like 51 Talk, Happy Planet, Native Camp, Lingo Star, etc. So this company is a Chinese company managed by Ma'am Lisa Wang and Miss Alice. Wala siyang last name, basta Miss Alice. And guys, di ako tatagal dito ng 8 months kung talagang walang kwenta, diba? May mga days talaga na gusto ko talaga makipag-away sa parents, sa manager, sa class monitor. Kaya lang iniisip ko, trabaho yung kailangan ko, diba? Pag makikipag-away ako, baka mawalan pa ako ng trabaho. So, patience lang talaga. And mind you guys, ito yung company na pinaka nagtagal ako. Kasi sa resume ko, it was just for the char na may experience ako. Nung last time hindi yung may experience naman talaga ako sa Jowsy at Happy Planet. Kaya lang, ilang months lang yun, 3 to 5 months lang. Ito is going 8 months na ako. So, matagal din. Anyways, I will talk about the rate. Okay, 50 to 55. Pwede din siya maging 60. Depends on your credentials. Okay, for me, I'm still a student. I'm a 4th year college student. And nakapasok ako dito, I was just 4th year na ba? Yes, last year. So, I'm 4th year na. And nag-o-open lang ako 6 p.m. to 10 p.m. Pero pag kaya nyo naman yung 5 p.m. mag-start, okay lang din naman. Kasi ako part-time ko lang to kasi student pa nga ako eh. Okay sana kung may morning dito. Wait. Meron mang morning pero 1 to 2 students lang. Hindi talaga yung sunod-sunod na classes. And sa hapon, wala masyado like 2 p.m., 4 p.m. Wala masyadong nagbubuk ng ganun. Bihira lang pag weekdays. Weekend. Pero pag gabi, talagang sobrang daming kids. As in, na-try ko talaga na 6 ako nag-start or 6:30. Natapos ako ng 9:30 or 10. Talagang pagoda si ante nyo, girl. At saka galing ba ako ng school noon. Kaya sobrang pagoda si me. Anyways, this is weekly salary. Wala namang delay. Well, actually, merong delay. Pero hindi naman sa 8 months. Siguro nakadalawa or 3 beses lang na delay. And mind you guys, this is weekly salary. Kung ako lang pipiliin ko talaga yung weekly salary than monthly salary. Ewan ko, when experience ko naman yung monthly salary, yung sa Jowsy. Kaya lang, ang baba talaga ng sahod ko nun. Kaya nung naka-try ako sa Happy Planet, Jowsy, then Happy Planet last year, talagang sobrang tuwang-tuwa ako sa sa Happy Planet. Kasi yung 1 month salary ko, 1 or 2 weeks lang siya na ini-earn ko, na-earn ko sa sa Happy Planet. Kaya yun guys. At saka, anyways, kung mag-a-apply nga pala sa akin na lang sa Messenger or sa WeChat or sa Class-in, PM nyo na lang ako, Aya Parba, yung Messenger ko, para mabigay ko yung Class-in ko or WeChat ko. Doon nyo na lang i-forward yung requirements nyo, like CV or resume, isa lang yun, TEFL certificate, self-introduction video, ano pa ba? Class-in QR, syempre. WeChat, kasi dyan kayo magko-communicate ni Miss Lisa and Miss Alice and also me, at saka yung schedule nyo dyan nakalagay. So guys, if you are looking for a part-time job, whether you're a student, a mom, what else, undergraduate, college level, senior high student, basta naghahanap ka ng side hustle, pagkakakitaan, ito na yun guys.